Today, I'm taking on the challenge of imagining what life would be like if the planets were just next door to Earth. Buckle up as I explore the crazy possibilities. The vastness of space keeps our solar system's planets far apart. But what if they weren't? What if, instead of the Moon, planets like Mars, Jupiter, or even Saturn were right next door? Things would get wild, fast. First up, Mars. At roughly half the size of Earth, it would loom in our sky with a stunning red glow. But there's a catch. Its weak gravity would do little to stabilize Earth's orbit. That means we could experience chaotic climate changes, stronger tides, and maybe even an asteroid bombardment due to its disrupted gravitational field. Yikes. Now, what if Jupiter were right next door? This gas giant is 318 times the mass of Earth and would dominate the sky. Its storms, including the Great Red Spot, would be visible to the naked eye. But here's the kicker. Jupiter's immense gravity would likely pull Earth out of its orbit, sending us spiraling into the sun or out into deep space. Not so great for human survival. Saturn, the crown jewel of the solar system. Its breathtaking rings would stretch across our night sky in a cosmic light show. But don't get too excited. Those rings are mostly ice and rock, and Saturn's gravity would once again wreak havoc on Earth's orbit. Plus, if it were close enough, its radiation belts might not be so friendly to life on our planet. What about Venus? It's about the same size as Earth, so the gravitational pull wouldn't be as extreme as Jupiter's or Saturn's. But here's the problem. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. If it were our next-door neighbor, its intense heat and toxic atmosphere could easily mess with Earth's own climate. Say hello to global warming on steroids. Neptune may seem like a cool blue giant, but this ice giant is a hurricane factory. Winds on Neptune reach up to 1,200 miles per hour, the fastest in the solar system. If it were right next to Earth, its gravity might steal some of our atmosphere, or worse, drag us along for a chaotic ride. And let's not even get started on its frigid temperatures. So, what's the verdict? As much as we love the idea of having planets as neighbors, the reality is it would be a total disaster. The delicate balance of our solar system keeps us safe, and Earth thrives just the way it is. So, maybe it's best that our planetary pals stay right where they are. But hey, if you ever want to see these planets up close, all you need is a telescope or maybe a rocket. Until next time, keep looking up.